Hello students, I Mrs. Priyanka Manik Rao from Prabhat Kids School Akola. Welcome to the new session of General Knowledge. Dear children, in this session we are going to see another chapter of General Knowledge, the human body. Let us start the human body. What is actual human body? Human body is a complex network of multiple organs system. In organ system, all systems work together to perform one or more functions. Cells present in every part of the body. A group of similar cells form a different kinds of tissues. A number of similar tissues forms a organ. Then each organ perform a particular job in a body. The main organ system which are responsible for our body functions. The human body is made up of several organ systems that all work together as a unit to make sure a body keep functioning properly. Now we are going to start some important systems of human body. The main systems of human body are circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, muscular system, respiratory system, skeletal system and nervous system. The circulatory system is also called cardiovascular system. It is an organ system that circulates blood around the body via heart, arteries and veins. It delivering oxygen and nutrients to the organs and cells, and it carry out the waste product and also maintains the body temperature in a safe range. Now we start next system, digestive system and excretory system. The digestive system, in this system we take the food material and absorb the nutrients from the food and we get the energy. Then remove the waste product via gastrointestinal tract. Mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine are the main parts of digestive system, and the excretory system eliminates the waste product from the body. Now we have to see muscular system. It enables the body to move using muscles and maintain the postures. Skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are parts of the muscle system. Together with the skeletal system form the musculoskeletal system. Respiratory system is another main system of human body. It brings air in and out of the lungs. It absorbs oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The lungs are the main organ of respiratory system. The gas exchange in the lungs occurs in millions of small air sac-like structure called as the alveoli. Nose, mouth, bronchi, larynx, pharynx, trachea and diaphragm are the main organ of respiratory system. Now next is the skeletal system. Bones maintain structure of the body and its organs. The skeleton can also be seen as a bony framework of the body which provides support, shape and protection to the soft and delicate tissue and organs in the animals. Main organ of skeletal system are bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons are the parts of this system. One of the most important system of human body is nervous system. It is highly complex organ system that coordinates actions and the sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body. It collects and processes information from the senses via nerves and the brain. Brain, spinal cord, sensory organs are the main part of nervous system. Dear students, hope you get all information related to the different organs of human body. Now you have to solve exercise given on page number 21. Thank you and have a beautiful day.